solution chapter, solubility is an important part. Solubility. This solubility means amount of solute present in per unit volume. Solubility means amount of solute present per unit volume. Amount of solute present in per unit volume. This amount is represented as mole of solute. You know that मोल इक्वल टू, आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, मोल इक्वल टू गिवन मास ऑफ सोल्यूट, गिवन मास डिवाइडेड बाय मोलर मास. Mole per liter is the unit of solubility at a particular or specific temperature. At a specific temperature means temperature is also one of the factor which helps to form a solubility, which helps to develop a solution, which helps to form solubility factor. This is the solubility. The solubility which is represented as concentration of solute. Concentration of solute, and unit of this is mole per decimeter cube. Mole per decimeter cube. Actually, liter and decimeter cube both are same. Liter and decimeter cube both are same. The measuring system is different. Okay, this is the solubility. It means the saturated state which is to be formed, solution which contains maximum amount of dissolved solute. Saturated state फॉर्म करने के लिए आपको solubility चाहिए. Saturated state or saturated solution, it means maximum amount of solute is essential. Maximum amount of solute which is to be dissolved. Maximum amount of solute which is to be dissolved in a solvent. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं डालना पड़ेगा आपको सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन के बाद. यह है solubility. In this chapter solution, there are solid solutions, liquid solutions, gaseous solutions. There are two types of solutions are there: saturated solution, supersaturated solution, unsaturated solution. Supersaturated solution means what? Solution containing solute more than required to form saturated solution. Saturated solution से ज़्यादा अगर solute आप saturated solution इससे ज़्यादा amount आप solute डालोगे तो supersaturated होगा. It is supersaturated. उससे थोड़ा सा कम होगा. सैचुरेटेड स्टेट बॉर्डर पॉइंट है. maximum amount of solute is to be added. Further solute is not to be dissolved. आप ट्राई करोगे तो वो सुपर सैचुरेटेड होगा. और उससे कम है सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन से, अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट कम है तो unsaturated. These are okay. My today's new fresh point is factors affecting solubility. Solubility. Factors affecting solubility. What are the factors by which solubility get affected? Solubility part related with the first factor which is very important factor, nature of solute. Nature of solute. What type of solute is there? What type of nature of solute? Crystalline solute. Crystalline. Is it crystalline? Is it amorphous? It is ionic crystal. Is it covalent crystal? Covalent crystal, ionic crystal, covalent crystal. By this way, tendency to dissolve changes. If you are changing type of crystal which is ready to dissolve into the solution, tendency changes. By this way, tendency to dissolve, tendency of solute to dissolve changes. Tendency get changes. Such type of solute. Which type of solute is there? The solute having similar intermolecular force. Solute having similar intermolecular force. Similar intermolecular force. Intermolecular force with solvent. With solvent dissolves more. Dissolves more. Tendency is greater. Similar intermolecular force tend to dissolve each other. Tend to dissolve each other. It is nature of solute. It means whether the solute is ionic Na plus Cl minus, whether the solute is ionic covalent, that is HCl covalent, it is a covalent crystal, ionic crystal, some type of amorphous powdered state solid, etc. Second factor, factor number 2. Second factor is nature of solvent. Nature of solvent. Solvents are of two types. Polar solvent and non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent. Polar solvent like H2O, H plus and OH minus ions. Two oppositely charged ions are there. Two opposite poles are there. These are polar solvents. It is also known as aqueous solution. Polar solvent. Here polar solvents are, in this polar solvent NaCl easily dissolved because it is also polar. So says that like dissolves like. Like dissolves like. Like dissolves like. It means solvent which is non-polar also. Non-polar solvents are also there. Non-polar solvents are, this non-polar solvent is benzene, C6H6. Non-polar solvent is CCl4. It is a non-polar solvent. Means in these non-polar solvents, these non-polar solvents cannot consist of positive and negative ions. These are non-polar. And here in this non-polar solvent, so many types of non-polar solutes are added. Non-polar solute get dissolves. Solvents are also gases, larger in amount. Liquids. Solvents are also gases, liquid and solids. मेजर पार्ट जो है ना, मेजर पार्ट को सॉल्वेंट बोलोगे आप. दे आर आल्सो गैसेस, लिक्विड्स एंड सॉलिड्स. Solvents are also. This is our next factor. The third factor is amount of solvent. Amount of solvent. Amount of solvent, it means that greater the amount of solvent, more amount of solvent will dissolve more solute. More amount of solvent will dissolve more solute. More amount of solvent will dissolve more solute. More quantity of solute is dissolved. More quantity of solute is dissolved in more amount of solvent. More amount of solvent. More amount of solvent. It is our next factor. The fourth factor, which is factor number 4, temperature. The temperature factor is also important, but all the solutes cannot show a particular result with respect to temperature. आपको मालूम है टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया, solubility बढ़ जाती है. Temperature increases, solubility increases. Solubility increases. It means depending upon nature of solvent and solute, temperature affect on solubility. Solubility of solid in liquid, but for gases, solubility of gas decreases on increase in temperature. Temperature बढ़ गया तो gas, solubility of gas decreases in aqueous media. In aqueous media, solubility decreases. We are now drawing a type of graph which shows that some type of substances shows greater effect on the solubility, and some type of solute shows very lower effect on the solubility. Some type of substance shows greater effect on solubility and some type of substance cannot show. Suppose this is a straight line, this is another axis, here one of the axis 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Amount of solute which is ready to dissolve, amount of solute. Then temperature 0 degrees, 20 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees centigrade, 60 degrees centigrade, 80 degrees centigrade, 100 degrees centigrade, 120 degrees centigrade. Somewhat NaBr, KCl, NaCl. NaBr, solubility of this NaBr increases with respect to temperature. जैसा टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा solubility बढ़ जाएगी. NaBr Solubility of NaBr increases with increase in the temperature. NaBr. NaBr, then the next part, which is KCl. The graph, which is KCl. It is about KCl. Temperature increases, solubility slightly changes. Solubility slightly changes with temperature. Solubility slightly changes with temperature. NaBr, KCl, NaCl. Somewhat slight change. It is for NaCl. These three salts show slight change in solubility. Slight change. Graph is not important, the statement is important. Solubility slightly changes with temperature for NaBr, NaCl, KCl, and rapidly increases, quickly increases, exactly increases KNO3. As temperature increases, solubility of KNO3 increases. NaNO3, 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 KBr, perfect KBr, KBr. These three are black colored salts. Increases, solubility increases greatly. Great increase. Great increase. Slight in change, slight increase, great increase. And one of the important salt is there. Here, temperature increases, solubility decreases. Solubility of Na2SO4 decreases with increase in temperature. With increase in temperature. Increase in temperature. It means this is the factor which gives an idea about you must know the compounds KNO3, NaNO3 and KBr having great increase in solubility with respect to temperature. Solubility slightly changes for NaBr, KCl, NaCl, slight change. Then solubility of Na2SO4 decreases with temperature. It means that temperature part also supports increase in the solubility and decrease in the solubility. Increase in the solubility and decrease in the solubility. Solubility of gases in water decreases with temperature. Solubility of gases in water decreases in with temperature. Temperature increase. टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया तो सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ गैस कम हो जाए. तो आपको मालूम है किसी वाटर के बीकर में आपने वाटर लिया तो वाटर का बीकर है, आपको उसे हीट कर रहे हो आप इसको. वी आर हीटिंग दिस बीकर, some type of air bubbles are coming outside. Air bubbles are coming means dissolved gases undissolved हो जाएंगे. Air bubbles are coming means aquatic animals are not present in hot water. These solubility of O2 decreases in sea water or river water. Solubility of O2 is minimum in hot water. Solubility of O2 is minimum in hot water. So Aquatic animals are present at the bottom side in summer. At the top side, there is no oxygen at all. There is no oxygen at all. These are the factors which affects on salinity. For aquatic animals, they are cold-blooded animals. These cold-blooded animals lives in cold water only, because in cold water more oxygen which is to be present. If it becomes hot, then amount of oxygen decreases. So solubility of gas decreases with increase in the temperature. Then the next part, effect of pressure. Effect of pressure. Effect of pressure and intrinsic property. Effect of pressure is applied only for gaseous solute. Only for gaseous solutes. Not for solid and liquid solutes. Solid and liquid solutes. Not for solid and liquid solutes. Only gaseous solutes. No effect on the solubility of solids and liquids. It means that however pressure greatly affects on the solubility of gas in liquid. Pressure affects greatly on solubility of gases in liquid. Pressure is above liquid. Pressure is above liquid. Above liquid. Henry gives an idea about this factor. Henry's law. Henry gives an idea about this factor. Henry suggests that solubility of gas in liquid is directly proportional to pressure. Solubility of gas in liquid is directly proportional to pressure of gas over the solution. Pressure of gas over the solution. Solution के ऊपर जो प्रेशर है उसके साथ this solubility in mole per decimeter cube, mole per liter is equal to Henry constant Kh, and this pressure is in bar, atmosphere, bar, Newton per meter square, etc. Pressure is in bar and it is mole per liter. Yes, this solubility of gas is equal to Henry's constant into pressure. This Kh is equal to Henry's constant is to be determined with respect to solubility divided by pressure. It means it is mole per liter per bar. If pressure is 1 bar, Kh is solubility. Kh is solubility. Kh is solubility of gas in liquid when pressure is equal to 1 bar over the solution. That is, if Kh is equal to solubility S, if pressure is 1 bar. एक बार प्रेशर है तो जो भी सोलिबिलिटी होगा उसी को आप कहोगे हेनरीज कांस्टेंट. You know that example. Example, CO2 dissolves under pressure. Under pressure. More amount of CO2 get dissolved under pressure with respect to air. With respect to air. With respect to air means Henry's law has the statement. But Henry's law has some type of exceptions. Exceptions of Henry's law. Exceptions are there. Exceptions are there. It means that NH3 gas and CO2 gas, which are easily dissolves in water, they are having higher solubility in water. Why they are higher solubility? They cannot obey Henry's law. Means NH3 when dissolved in H2O, it gives NH4 plus and OH minus ion. More and more ammonia gas get dissolved. And this HCO2 and H2O, which gives H2CO3 carbonic acid. Higher solubilities NH3 and CO2 are higher soluble gases. Higher soluble gases. Expected by Henry's law. Henry's law चाहिए पुढे, Henry's law के भी आगे. Unexpected with respect to Henry's law means higher solubilities than expected by. Higher solubilities than expected by Henry's law. Expected by Henry's law के से भी आगे उसकी solubility होती है. Yes, thank you. Tomorrow we will continue. Please subscribe me. Subscribe. It's your Bhange sir. Bhange sir Parvani. Okay, thank you.